Hi magical ones, it's Ethany and I have got the Witch's Bounty for June 2019 to unbox. There is already some glitter. Your love is like glitter. Laid on, laid on, laid on. Okay, that's Chodrical. And I'm going to be unboxing this. Now I'm actually going to try something new. I'm going to show you here's my face. I'm actually not going to swap video cameras. I'm going to do it all here. I'm going to unbox the whole thing right here. So you're seeing my face. I want to know whether you prefer this way of me going through the boxes, boop, 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 or whether you prefer me to swap cameras. I do like swapping cameras for the cards when I do decks, because that way you get to see the artwork without glare, without any background, without the camera really struggling to focus. But if you like this way of me doing unboxings, let me know for the Witch's Moon and the Witch's Bounty. There's also, I have a new puppy. He is behind me in his bedroom, aka his crate, just having a snooze. If you hear any noises, that's probably him. I was going to bring him out and to say hello, but with all this very beautiful, expensive, gorgeous, witchy stuff, I didn't want him to chew on anything. I may get him out at the end. I might pause this and go grab him. I had to say hello. So this is the Witch's Bounty. Ooh, what have we got? Oh, lovely golden Druzzy. Oh my gosh, the artwork that they do is so... I'm trying to hold it like this so there's hardly any glare from my spot lamp. Okay, so golden Druzy or Druzy, it's probably Druzy. A stone of vitality. Druzy naturally amplifies the effects of gold. Wear it to draw in light, joy, prosperity, and abundance. Golden Druzy repels negative energies and combats lethargy and depression, or should be wearing that. It awakens psychic impulses, enhancing magical intentions and manifestation. Traditionally worn to support good health and longevity. Gold is also worn to promote personal power, courage, confidence, and willpower. She is so stunning. I'm getting like fierce Queen of Wands vibes from this gorgeous creature. And as many of you know, if you've been watching my videos for a while, I keep all of these and I have them in their own separate book of shadows. And so this, you always get a beautiful little, and I always look at it last because I like to see what's in here first. So much glitter, I love glitter. I'm gonna just pop that down a little bit. Okay, what have we got? All right. I can't actually read their writing. Suns. That looks like suns something. Sun something. All right, I'm going to have to look. It says sun something. Sun's Eye Magical Anointing Oil. Sun's Eye Magical Anointing Oil. Let's give that a smell. Oh, yeah. I smell peppermint. I smelled mints, which is good for keeping away spiders. I did not know that. Okay, well maybe I'm really wrong. Tangerine, sweet orange, chamomile. Okay, yeah, I was wrong. What is wrong with my nose? Smelling. So it says, powerful oil has been created with the intention of harnessing a direct line of energy from the eye of the sun. This energy brings with it an essence of joy, openness, and power as you cultivate your energy each day. So we've got, Aca non verba oil from our personal cabinet of witchery, lemongrass, gold flakes, lots of stuff in there. Like I said, I'm not going to be careful applying to skin, as some may be sensitive to sunflower oil than others. Yeah, external use only. I don't like giving away all of their stuff, like in regards to their, and I always recycle these, always reuse them for my stuff. It's their bubble wrap. Okay, so the cord this month is a brown cord. I'm actually going to put it on straight away. It's just happening. It's just happening. It's just happening. I'm going to wait till... I'm going to save the best to last. Ooh. Oh my God. That song, by the way, I'm old-ish. Oldish. That song was on like heavy repeat when that came out. So we've got I'm going to try Avalon's trick to see if it'll focus. Oh my gosh. Is it going to focus? So a little citrine. A little bit of citrine in your life. A little bit of fluorite makes it right. I'm apparently in a very singy mood. I must have woken up with the birds thinking I'm some kind of Disney frickin' princess this morning because I am in a good mood. Yes, I am. I sing a lot in my house. Sniffing the... So this is the incense. So the citrine crystal point. I love citrine. It's a stone of joy. It's a stone that you don't need to cleanse. It's a really good prosperity stone. I really, really, what do they say about it here? Strengthening your inner magnet, allowing you to draw prosperity and abundance near. Keep this close throughout your day or place it alongside your altars so that doors will open that may otherwise have been closed. Oh, Nag Champa. Oh yeah, baby, my favorite. So I have a story about Nag Champa. I used to work in a lot of new age stores in Fremantle, Western Australia, and Nag Champa was always burned, and it's one of my all-time favorites. It's one of those scents that takes me right back. It smells like home. It smells like every shop I ever worked in. There's just something about it. I'm very, very happy that I've got some more. I have a ton of Nag Champa, but you can never have too many as far as I'm concerned because I love me some Nag Champa. And then we've got, what candle have we got this month? A pot of gold mini spell candle. We have hand rolled this special candle for you to burn in preparation for a prosperity and attraction rituals. As you allow the flame to dance, visualize all mental and physical chatter slowly disappearing until you've come to the here and now, focusing on your intentions and purpose. They always smell so good too, and there's like so much glitter. Your love is like glitter. Smells so good. Green and gold, very, very Australian. Very Australian. I know my hair is a bit of a wild thing at the moment, but that's actually, this is just like rolled out of bed hair. I did put a comb through it, but all right. So now we're on to the Piece de Resistance. Ooh, oh, this must have been what my friend was wearing yesterday. I'm gonna ask. So. Supportive Tarot, look at the back of that. Lisa at Supportive Tarot, I'm going to have to ask her if this is what she was wearing. That beautiful, let's see if that'll, no, it's still like looking for my face. It's really pretty. You can't really see, like, look at that, like it's really gorgeous. That's really really, really pretty. I feel like I could stare into that all day. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to stick it on my neck. Where did the necklace go? So these are really great. It's got like a little symbol as well from the designer, which is really cute. Oh, I already feel more fabulous. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's so pretty. You can sit with my pentacle. Oh, that's really gorgeous. So this is the beautiful Witch's Bounty piece for this month. Feeling very luxe, very gorgeous. I'm just going to read a little bit about what they have said, what the Witches Moon crew have said. When working to obtain true prosperity and abundance, we learn that dealing with depression, anxiety, and lethargy is often conquered along the way. These very common energies must be dealt with and worked through in order to bring overall health and power into our life's essence. As these conflicts become manageable, we start to awaken our psychic impulses and refine our abilities to manifest our intentions through magical actions. The items that we've included in this collection were carefully selected to bring power of attraction into your life. This is not merely referencing wealth and riches, but rather the true gift of happiness and fulfillment. The magical items in the box. So we've got the 24 carat plated Desert Druzy pendant. This one of a kind custom 24 carat Desert Druzy pendant. Druzy has been inlaid with silver and created specifically for the subscribers of this box. The Desert Druzy being base stone contains a mixture of quartz, druzy, and I can never pronounce this one. Chalcedony. So they combine to bring together the power and essence of self-confidence, promoting an honest approach on how we communicate with ourselves. I wanted to quickly... So I was just reading what they said about Nag Champa, and it says basically it's like, this powerful incense carries a scent considered to be the standard by which other incense are judged. It's true. It's true. And then that beautiful artwork done by A. Eldon. So that is a stunning Witches Bounty for June. I'm going to keep wearing this. I'm going to now I batch box. So I'm going to batch unbox. So I'm going to pop all the links to where you can find the Witches Bounty in the description below. And if you keep watching, at the end of the Witches Moon box, I will probably go and get the puppy. I just don't want to get him and then have to put him back to sleep because he'll get very upset. So thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if you were waiting to see the puppy and I was like, psych! I will bring him out at the end of the Witches Moon box. But anyway, this is stunning. I'm going to be wearing this all day. Goes with my bee, don't you think? It goes with my little bee. Yes. Description below is where you're going to find the link to purchase the subscription box. And thank you as always for watching.